Intense fast-moving tornado about to impact downtown South Bend. Tornado emergency for downtown South Bend and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. Joseph County and north central Indiana, southwestern Cass County and southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County and southwestern Michigan, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed destructive tornado was observed over South Bend, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for downtown South Bend and surrounding areas.